I've climbed the mountains in Montana, danced in the lights of New Orleans. Portland ran away with me, and San Francisco stayed with me. Nashville made its way in between. Fell in love in Minnesota, and fell apart south of Salt Lake. Colorado calls to me, and Washington will always be begging for a piece of me to stay. Maybe some things never change, but I wanna know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall, sleep in the same bed at night. I want reasons to stay, I want someone to take up my time and miss me when I go. I've swam the beaches on the West Coast, climbed the trees of Caroline. I felt the city streets of Boston underneath my feet, heard the sound of subways down the line. Walked the lakesides of Wisconsin, and bathed in springs of Idaho. I could use a day or two, or even just an afternoon, getting myself lost in Chicago. Maybe I'm homesick for it all, 'cause I wanna know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall, sleep in the same bed at night. I want reasons to stay, I want someone to take up my time and miss me when I go. I wanna home. 'Cause I have traveled across this countrywide, and I feel there must be something more to find. I miss those mountains in Montana. I've wandered long enough to know how good a good thing was. I feel it more the further that I get. So the wheels are pointed west, till I know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall, sleep in the same bed at night. I want reasons to stay, I want someone to take up my time, miss me when I go. I'll find reasons to stay and someone to take up my time, and I'm not gonna go when I get home. I'm going home. I wish I could leave my skin behind in this old rented room, float my way across the great divide and be buried in you. I've been looking far and wide for what I gotta prove, and putting peaks in my rear view. Well, it's colder here than anyone told me the South could get, and I took to staying up real late and smoking cigarettes. The cheap tobacco burns the way that bridge between us did, and I'm left looking at the glowing ends. But am I too far gone be somewhere across that great divide. I wish I could take the hands of time and turn them in reverse. I'd take back every long goodbye with venom in my words. The only way to being found is getting lost at first, but all I find are more bridges to burn. So am I too far gone to be running home? 'Cause I'm longing tonight to be somewhere across that great Well, the highway has a way of playing tricks on tired eyes. I swear that I see you riding shotgun late at night. Seems that you're the only thing that never leaves my mind, the only thing worth getting right. So am I too far gone? 'Cause I'm running home. If only in my mind I am somewhere across that great divide. All you are is black ink on blue lines, but all I am is one notch in a bedpost, or at most the ghost that keeps you warm, just the ghost. We went searching for some comfort by using one another, both needing lovers of some sort. But it was vile and it was cheap, how we trade for what we need, with words and curves behind closed doors. I bought the lines I needed from you, slipping out of that dress and my high-heeled shoes. I guess I needed my fix too. I spent the night so you spent your words, and we both got hooked, we both got burned. 'Cause I moved the way that you like, and you fed me your best lines, and we took one more hit of skin and script. You lose me in your sleep, tucked beneath the same sheets that shelter my bare skin. And I lose ocean sweet.